The Big Bull of Dalal Street, Rakesh Junjunwala. A name that resonates with power, ambition, and unparalleled success in the world of investing. A name synonymous with investing success. His keen eye for detail and ability to predict market trends set him apart from the rest. He was the big bull of the Indian stock market, a title earned through years of dedication and strategic investments. He was an inspiration to millions, not just in India, but around the globe. His speeches and insights motivated countless individuals to pursue their financial dreams. Junjunwala's journey is a testament to the power of belief. From humble beginnings, he nurtured his dreams with unwavering faith and determination. He showed us that ordinary people can achieve extraordinary things. His story is a beacon of hope for anyone with a dream and the will to pursue it. Junjunwala wasn't born into wealth. He started with a small investment, a modest office, and a single computer. He started with a small investment. Through smart decisions and relentless effort, he turned that small sum into a fortune. He grew it into a multi-billion-dollar empire. His success story is a remarkable journey of growth and achievement. His story is one of hard work and dedication. Long hours, sleepless nights, and an unyielding spirit were the cornerstones of his success. It's about passion and resilience. He faced numerous challenges, but never gave up, always bouncing back stronger. Most of all, it's a story about the power of dreams. Dreams that seemed impossible, but were made real through sheer willpower and vision. His legacy extends beyond wealth. He was a philanthropist who believed in making a positive impact on society. He believed in giving back. He supported numerous educational programs, ensuring that the underprivileged had access to quality education. He supported education, healthcare, and poverty alleviation. His contributions have improved countless lives. He taught us that success is not just about money. It's about using that success to uplift others and make the world a better place. It's about making a difference. Rakesh Junjunwala's life is a shining example of how one person's success can inspire and transform an entire community. Early spark. A young mind drawn to finance. From a very young age, Rakesh Junjunwala showed an unusual interest in the world of finance. Rakesh Junjunwala was born in Mumbai, a city known for its bustling financial district and vibrant economy. His father was an income tax officer, which gave young Rakesh a unique perspective on financial matters and the workings of the economy. From a young age, Junjunwala was fascinated by the stock market. He would spend hours looking at stock market charts, trying to understand the patterns and trends. He would listen intently to his father's discussions about the markets, absorbing every bit of information he could. He was intrigued by the fluctuations and the potential for growth. The dynamic nature of the stock market captivated his young mind. He pursued his education at Sydenham College, Mumbai, where he further honed his analytical skills and deepened his understanding of finance. He then enrolled as a chartered accountant, a profession that would provide him with a solid foundation in financial principles and practices. Even while studying, his interest in the stock market never wavered. He would often be found with his nose buried in stock market books and charts. He would spend his free time researching companies and analyzing market trends, always looking for the next big opportunity. He was determined to make his mark in the world of finance. His passion and dedication set the stage for his future success as one of India's most renowned investors. Taking the plunge. First foray into the stock market. In 1985, Rakesh Junjunwala decided to enter the stock market. He had just 5,000 rupees. It was a time when the Indian stock market was still evolving. Information was scarce, technology was limited. But Junjunwala was undeterred. He made his first big win in Tata Tea. He bought shares at a low price. He sold them for a significant profit. This early success fueled his passion. He realized the potential of the stock market. He was determined to make it big. The Titan story, a bet that built an empire. One of Rakesh Junjunwala's most iconic investments was in Titan Company. In the early 1980s, he bought Titan shares for a mere 3 rupees. At the time, Titan was a relatively unknown company. Many people doubted his decision. But Junjunwala saw its potential. He believed in the company's vision. He held on to his shares for decades. His belief paid off. Titan became one of India's leading watch and jewelry brands. His investment in Titan multiplied manifold. It became a cornerstone of his wealth. Section 5. Rare Enterprises. Crafting a legacy of value investing. Rakesh Junjunwala founded his own asset management firm, Rare Enterprises. The name Rare was derived from his and his wife Rekha's names. Through Rare Enterprises, he managed his own portfolio. He also advised clients on investment strategies. Junjunwala was a staunch believer in value investing. He looked for undervalued companies. He invested in them for the long term. He believed in the power of compounding. He taught investors to be patient. He emphasized the importance of thorough research. Section 6. Beyond Profits. A Heart of Gold. Rakesh Junjunwala's success in the stock market was just one aspect of his life. He was a philanthropist. He believed in giving back to society. He supported various charitable causes. Education, healthcare, and poverty alleviation were close to his heart. He donated generously to organizations working for the betterment of society. He believed in empowering the underprivileged. He wanted to create a more equitable world. His philanthropy reflected his compassionate nature. It showcased his commitment to social good. Section 7. The Junjunwala Philosophy. Simple principles, extraordinary success. Rakesh Junjunwala's investment philosophy was simple yet effective. He believed in investing in businesses he understood. He emphasized the importance of long-term vision. He wasn't swayed by short-term market fluctuations. He always did his research. He looked for companies with strong fundamentals. He had the conviction to hold on to his investments. His philosophy was a blend of patience, discipline, and a deep understanding of the market. Section 8. Lessons from the Legend. Research is your best friend. One of the most important lessons from Rakesh Junjunwala's journey is the significance of research. He believed in thoroughly understanding a company before investing. He emphasized analyzing financial statements, studying industry trends, and evaluating management quality. He believed that knowledge is power. He encouraged investors to do their homework. Don't rely on rumors. Don't follow the crowd. Make informed decisions. Your investment success depends on it. Your investment success. Section 9. Mastering the market. Patience, conviction, and diversification. Rakesh Junjunwala's success was also a testament to his patience and conviction. He didn't get swayed by short-term market volatility. He identified opportunities. He invested in them for the long haul. He believed in the power of compounding. He also understood the importance of diversification. He didn't put all his eggs in one basket. He spread his investments across different sectors. This approach helped him mitigate risks. It maximized his returns. Section 10. The Legacy of the Big Bull, Inspiring Generations. Rakesh Junjunwala, a name synonymous with the Indian stock market, has left a legacy that will be remembered for generations to come. Rakesh Junjunwala, the Big Bull of Dalal Street, left an indelible mark on the Indian financial landscape. His influence and contributions have shaped the way we perceive investments and financial growth in India. His journey from a modest background to becoming a stock market legend is an inspiration to millions. Starting with a small capital, he demonstrated that determination and strategic thinking can lead to monumental success. He showed us that with passion, hard work, and a belief in oneself, anything is possible. His story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of having a clear vision. His legacy extends beyond his financial success. He was not just a market mogul, but also a mentor to many aspiring investors. He was a philanthropist, a visionary, and a true believer in the potential of India. His charitable endeavors and forward-thinking ideas have left a lasting impact on society. His story will continue to inspire generations of investors and dreamers to chase their aspirations and make a difference in the world. Rakesh Junjunwala's life is a beacon of hope and a source of motivation for anyone looking to achieve greatness.